This might be interesting. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Dave and Abby. This is GVA Ghettovanadventures. Abby has lost the futon. I lost the futon. She's on the futon mattress over to the side there. We're running a little heavy. I got the futon frame strapped on the roof, and if it becomes it's noisy. And if it becomes unmanageable, it's going to find a scrapyard, and I'm going to get another futon. We got about 1,300 miles to go, and I'm just going to be taking it easy. You can hear the wind resistance. My gas mileage is going to suck going out there. I'm headed out to my nephew's, and I got some furniture, my mom's furniture for my my great niece. So it's nice to keep it the family sort of thing, you know what I mean? So anyway, I'm whipping that out, got it out of the container, loaded in the van, and it was actually bigger than I thought it was. I had forgotten how big the dresser was and that, and I have my bookshelf too. But it ate up a lot more room in the van than I thought. Plus I had to take out other stuff too. So anyway, it's gonna be a long trip, but it's a trip, it's out. Van is running mint. This is its first big test, and it probably won't shut off for about 3 days, and that was a mosquito biting me in the arm. It probably won't shut off for about 3 days because it's really hot. Now I'm wondering, as I travel farther, now it's actually a little smoky today, fires again, but as I travel farther east, it might cool down some, so I'm hoping that might help, and I could shut the car off at night and while we sleep. So, and when we sleep, I got the stupid spare tire right behind me. I had to take it off the roof. I got a spare tire jammed in right behind me, so I might take it out and throw it up on the futon. I don't know what I'm actually going to do with it because I can't put my seat back to sleep. I guess I could sleep like this, maybe. But I want to give Abby, my main concern is giving Abby space, right? Anyway, I'll shoot a little video as we go along if I see something cool or whatever, and we'll go from there. Anyway, guys, talk to you in a bit. Abby and I just did this big loop. It's at a en route. So I took her out for a little walk and let her stretch her legs, and she can have a pee. But it's a pretty big spot, actually. What are you doing, Abby? It's a pretty big spot. So kudos to them for having this available. It's cooled down quite a bit. I had a little rain for a little while and it stopped, but it's going pretty smooth, even though my gas mileage is suffering with that futon on my roof. I've never seen this before. Traffic is getting so heavy now. That lumber truck that's ahead of that white car, it's making my drive quite fragrant. I love the smell of lumber, like when you walk into Home Depot or whatever, and I can smell it all the way back here. And now it's raining. Actually, it's raining pretty good. I had to actually turn on the heat just a little bit. It's dropped in temperature, and I'm in shorts and a t-shirt, and for some reason I feel cold, which I never usually do in the summer. Well, it's about 7:30 and it's still raining. Now this is rain. It is horrific. The road is even flooding over. Well, there's a few campers in here, not as many as normal, but it is raining pretty good. Let me go down and see if the spot I like is available. Nope, can't go down there.